We are celebrating the number of this airplane they have named after me. I did not know this was happening. I was totally surprised. They got me better than anyone has ever gotten me.
John, when I think about you, we think about integrity, trust. He always treats employees with respect. So John, we are dedicating 284JN. It's going to be flying around, always thinking about John Nix.
It's a great airplane, and we are so fortunate to be flying this aircraft.
We're celebrating 50 years Embraer in the aviation business this year. John has, for almost a quarter of a century, been the connection between ourselves and American and Envoy and American Eagle. So again, congratulations and thank you for everything over the years, John.
Embraer is our provider of aircraft. I've thoroughly enjoyed getting to know them over the years. They're here celebrating with us today, so it's very special and it means a lot.
I want to thank you, John, for everything you have done for this company. We're having a good year. 2020 is going to be a better year. We're just preparing the company for total success. I just want to say thank you for a job well done.